Hello everyone, and welcome to the October 2025 Perfectly Pieced unboxing. I'm really excited to show you the block for this month. It is one of those blocks that is so versatile, and as you change it into different positions and add different fabrics, you are going to be able to make so many amazing designs with this. So let's get started. The block for this month is we're calling it the Mosaic 2. And the reason it's Mosaic 2 is because our very first Perfectly Pieced box was a mosaic block. So if you look at this, you can see just how, as we put these together, it's going to make so many amazing and beautiful patterns. So just remember that you get this block in 4 different sizes. You get the 8-inch, a 6-inch, a 4-inch, and this cute little 2-inch block. Let's show you the quilting designs that you're going to get with this box as well. This is such a huge bonus that you get. The block by block quilting is this fun little leaf pattern. And then the all over pattern that you're going to get with it. Look how that leaf pattern just kind of flows. And it's just this fun organic feel for the fall weather. It's really a soft pattern and really, really fun. The border, you get a 1-inch and a 2-inch border, and these tie in really well with your all over quilting as well. Let's look and see what you guys are going to get in your box for October. You're going to love it. So of course, you always get a collectible pin. And this pin will show how the block goes together and how it tumbles really nicely. You get a spool of thread, and the spool of thread this month is called Warm Gray 4, and it's perfect to go with all the colors that you're going to get in your fabric bundle. You'll also get some paper tape this month, because we use a lot of paper tape with Perfectly Pieced, and you never can go wrong with having enough paper tape. You get your full color step-by-step instructions of how to make the block. And of course, we know the best part of Perfectly Pieced is getting your fabric bundle. Look at these beautiful, beautiful jewel toned colored fabrics. So let's take a peek really fast and show you what these look like up close and personal. All right, our feature fabric for this month is an art gallery fabric, and look how gorgeous and beautiful that is. It has mushrooms and flowers on it and different types of leaves and lots of very organic botanical type themed fabric with the darker green and the burgundy and the kind of peach and corals. So beautiful. I'm excited to show you how it looks in the projects. You'll also get this solid green that kind of really helps to like bring everything together. And this green fabric that is it has a tone on tone circular radiating pattern from Dear Stella. We have a Robert Kaufman homespun, very textured fabric. It's kind of a tan taupey color. We have this burgundy color. It's from Benartex. I love it. I love just kind of the texture on that. And this one is from Clothworks, this kind of darker coral. You can kind of see the fine line textures in that and the pattern that it makes. And then our big piece of fabric that is going to be on the back is this. Just look how this golden yellow plaid fabric just makes everything pop together. And that one is from a Figo fabric. So that's everything you're going to get in your box. Let's take a look at the projects that you're going to be making this month. Okay, so we have our 4-inch project right here. I love this block because as you put the different colors of fabric in different places, it really kind of makes different patterns stand out. And so you kind of have this highlight. It's almost like a little peek into a window here, and super beautiful and fun right there. We have our 6-inch project that kind of highlights this, you know, a green little diamond look there. And then you can see here our art gallery, beautiful botanical fabric there that just really enhances the whole thing. All right, and we have our 8-inch project right here that, again, you can see each one is a different design, but it's all the same block. So that's really, really fun. And then our special project for this month is, I'm really excited to show you this. Okay, we're doing a wall hanging. Now, we've put ours in this gold frame. The frame does not come with the box. Obviously, we can't fit in the box. The instructions for this wall hanging include how to put a back and binding on it. But we wanted to show you how you could put this in a frame. Now, November of 2024, we did another wall hanging this exact size. So if you've done that one and this one, then you guys can use the same frame and just change out your wall hangings. But look at this quote. This is one of my favorite quotes. Happiness is a grateful heart. And this is coming out in October, so you can get it all made and ready for the month of November, when we celebrate gratitude, right? And being grateful for so many things. So this is going to be beautiful in your home. You could put it in your kitchen, your bedroom, your living room, and it's just going to really enhance and beautify your home. I'm really excited for you to make this. It's made with the 2-inch blocks that will make a 4-inch block in our wall hanging design. So those are our projects. And you know, we always like to do a giveaway here at Perfectly Pieced at Me Time. And so what our giveaway this month is another fabric bundle. We have these nice little scissor snips that are perfect for cutting your threads. And we have, because this month we're giving you a roll of paper tape, we have a paper tape dispenser, a Me Time dispenser that you can put that tape in. And we have some fusible backing. A lot of times when you're quilting or you're doing Perfectly Pieced or you're working with lighter fabrics, you want to use fusible backing so that you don't see through the fabrics as well. So this will be perfect for all of your Perfectly Pieced needs. So that's our giveaway. To enter our giveaway this month, what I would love to hear is, what are you grateful for? Remember, happiness is a grateful heart. So let us know what you're grateful for in the comments, and we will announce the winner on Friday. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy some well-deserved me time.